Well, hey there. Want to know a secret supersizing strategy to grow and build your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Gratitude is a sign of noble souls. This is our idiom today, and it is actually from Aesop. Aesop's fables. In one of his stories, Androcles, a slave, escaped into the forest. And at the end of every Aesop fable, of course, there is a moral of the story. And the moral of the story was gratitude is the sign of noble souls. Meaning, Androcles was grateful for his escape and his escape to freedom so that he didn't have to be a slave any longer. So I like to share every once in a while what I have found over my decades, 47 plus years running my own businesses and owning and operating businesses in different industries with people if they ask or if they come along, or as I share in this segment and for Supersize Your Business, because the whole purpose of this group is to help people grow and build the business that you want, the business of your dreams. And one of the secret weapons, and there's a handful or two of things that super successful people do automatically, and I share those every once in a while. And one of those is they're grateful. They have gratitude, and that is a sign of a noble soul, meaning that people that are grateful understand that it opens doors, that being grateful for what you have is what creates more of what you want. Whether it's exactly what you want or not, the only way to create more is already being satisfied and thankful and grateful for what is in your life, the things that you do have, how well your business is going, not nitpicking all the things that aren't perfect yet, but focusing on the things that are right, building on them to create the business or the life that you want. Relationships always improve if we're thankful and grateful for the people that we're in a relationship with. If you don't believe me, try thanking someone sincerely. It's got to be sincere. Sincerely thanking a person you want to improve your relationship with 4 times a day, and see how quickly and easily that transforms your relationship. There's lots of different ways to use gratitude to improve relationships, improve yourself, improve the things that you want in your life in any area or aspect of your life. So what are some ways that you go about practicing gratitude? Do you practice gratitude? Do you even know that gratitude is actually a secret weapon in creating what you want? I've done a lot of different gratitude practices and things over the course of the years that I've been in business and alive. Been alive quite a few years as well. And sometimes business isn't our entire life, so we need to improve other areas and aspects of our life. It works in every area. If I want to improve my health and my physical body and my nutrition, I have to be grateful for what I'm doing right already and build upon that. And then add new things that I can be grateful for. Every day I exercise, I'm grateful that I have the stamina and the ability and the energy to exercise. Every day I eat right, I'm grateful for that. So the times that I slip up, I'm not so hard on myself. So what are 3 ways that we could go about practicing gratitude? Say you've never practiced gratitude or never really thought about it much before, and it's just kind of happened accidentally in your life that you've been grateful and your business is growing and you're having success, but you'd really like to supercharge and get more success. Well, one of the things you could do is just every day think of 3 things that you're grateful for. How many of us can't think of 3 things that we're grateful for every single day? It's really easy. That's how I started out. Was every morning I would wake up and I would think of 3 things I was grateful for. Well, right off the top of my head, I woke up. That's an amazing thing to be grateful for. Some people don't wake up. Actually, millions of people don't wake up every day, right? Number 2, you can start a gratitude journal. This is actually my gratitude journal, and I just gave it the secret supersizing strategy label for today because it really is one of those things that is easy to add, create a habit out of, and it really has a huge impact on your life and on your business as well. If you're grateful and if you thank 3 people in your organization or that are connected to you in your business every day, what kind of an impact will that have? It's going to have a huge impact. If you don't believe me, just do it. Just go out and try it. Number 2 is the gratitude journal. Some people like to write things down, some people don't. Other people like to send thank you notes. You can, number 3, start a gratitude practice. Thank you notes would be an example of a gratitude practice. Having some kind of a gratitude ritual, like a gratitude jar. A lot of people on beginning of New Year's or New Year's Day will start a gratitude jar, and every day they will put in 1 slip of paper for something that they're grateful for. Or once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a month if they remember. But the whole point is to be at some frequency and increasing frequency. Think of the things that you're grateful for. Be thankful for those things. Appreciate, sincerely appreciate, and be thankful for them. If you're just going through the motions, it's like affirmations. If you're just saying it, but there's no feeling and no belief behind it, it's not going to really impact you. But if you really find 3 things to be thankful for, or start a gratitude journal, and before you go to bed every night, write a couple things that you're grateful for, or good things that happen during the day. It's pretty easy to have your own gratitude practice, gratitude ritual, gratitude journal. And what have you got to lose by doing this? And I always ask people, if they're resistant to doing something, well, what might you gain by doing this? What could happen? What if you could get your goals and dreams and build your business faster? Wouldn't it be worth trying something like this out? Some people say, well, I don't know what to be grateful for. I'm not grateful for anything. All you have to do is Google grateful, or whatever search engine you use, and you'll find tons of ideas about gratitude lists. I looked up one that was from, I want to say Shutterfly, and they had 100 ideas of things to be grateful for. I will put that link in the comments below for anybody that really needs to supercharge and super start a list. It was just a good list in different categories and areas and aspects of life that you could use as your own starter if you don't know where to start. But if you're breathing, that's something to be grateful for. If you wake up, that's something to be grateful for. If you've got heat or air conditioning or running water or a roof above your head or health, whatever, those are all things that you can be grateful for. So that's it. Share in the comments below one thing that you're grateful for. I will do the same, and I will see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it to build and grow and supersize your business. Have an awesome day. See you tomorrow. Bye.